In this video, I will show you how to connect Facebook to your HryFine Smartwatch. So if you want to be able to get all of your Facebook messages and notifications from your phone to your HryFine Smartwatch, this video will guide you on how to go about doing that. But first things first, you actually have to connect your HryFine Smartwatch to your phone. And to do this, basically on your phone, you want to head over to the Google Play Store or App Store to get the HryFine Smartwatch app. If you're using an iPhone, just head over to the App Store. And if you're using the Android phone, then go over to the Google Play Store. And from the search bar over here, you want to go ahead and search for HryFine. And then make sure you download and install the HryFine Smartwatch app over here into your phone. Mine is already downloaded, so I'll just go ahead and update the app. And once the app is downloaded and installed, before you go ahead to open it up, first things first, you actually have to turn on Bluetooth on your phone. So make sure you turn on Bluetooth and then turn on the service location of your phone as well. Once this is done, on your HryFine Smartwatch, you also have to turn on Bluetooth so that it can pair with the HryFine Smartwatch app. So just go ahead and press on this button to wake up the screen and then just swipe up and you should be able to find the Bluetooth settings over here. Click on it and Bluetooth will actually be turned on for your HryFine Smartwatch. Now what you want to do is to go ahead and open up the HryFine Smartwatch app, and the setup process is quite simple. You just have to go ahead and give the app all of the permission it needs to work properly and accept all of the terms and conditions. So click on the agree button over here, give the app permission by clicking on allow. Just go ahead and give it all of the permission. Now you actually have to sign into the HryFine Smartwatch app. You can go ahead and sign in with your account by clicking on the login option at the top over here. Alternatively, you can actually sign up for the first time by checking the policy over here and then go ahead and sign up with Google. Now select the email account you actually want to sign up with. I'll go ahead and select this over here. And at this point, we are almost done with the setup process. Just go ahead and keep note of your account information. Go ahead and screenshot this and then just click on the confirm button over here. Click on confirm. You also want to go ahead and fill up all of the information over here. This is actually for the app to be able to serve you better. So I'll go ahead and enter a nickname, click on confirm, and then just click on confirm over here. And now we have successfully set up the HryFine Smartwatch app. Go ahead and click on this back button at the top over here, and at this point you want to actually take note of this pop-up that usually comes up immediately after you sign into the device. This will be very necessary if you want to be able to get your Facebook messages and notification into your HryFine Smartwatch. So go ahead and click on the go to set. Meanwhile, if you actually did not see that pop up, you don't have to worry. It simply means that your phone do not require that permission. So what you want to do at this point is to go ahead and select the HryFine Smartwatch over here, select it, and then make sure you enable this permission for the HryFine Smartwatch app. Now, once you've enabled the allow all permission access for the HryFine Smartwatch app, you can now go back to the app. And at this point, you want to go ahead and pair the HryFine Smartwatch app with the HryFine Smartwatch. So what you want to do is to just go ahead and click on the watch icon at the top over here and then click on allow. Now it will start to look for available HryFine Smartwatches it can actually connect to, but first give it permission to access your location. Now at this point, if your Bluetooth is actually turned on your HryFine Smartwatch, it should be able to find the name of your HryFine Smartwatch over here. Now you can literally see mine, it is actually the Watch 9. So I'll just go ahead and select it from over here. It is trying to connect. And just like so, we have now successfully connected the HryFine Smartwatch with the HryFine Smartwatch app. Now, the next thing you actually want to do is to go ahead and pair the both devices through Bluetooth as well. So come over to the Bluetooth of your phone and then also make sure that you actually search for the Watch 9. That is actually the HryFine Smartwatch, and make sure you also pair it together as well. As you can see, mine has also paired. I'll go back to the app. Now, for you to be able to get all of your Facebook messages and notifications from your phone to your HryFine Smartwatch, what you want to do is to come over to the Me tab at the bottom over here and then just go ahead and click on the device settings. Now once device settings opens up, you want to come over to the message notification settings over here and then make sure you enable Facebook from this list of social medias or softwares available on your phone. So make sure you actually enable Facebook if you want to be able to get your Facebook notifications from your phone to your HryFine Smartwatch. At this point, you can go ahead and try sending a Facebook message to yourself and you will definitely receive it on your HryFine Smartwatch. But if you still do not receive it, what you can actually do is to go over to the settings of your phone. So come over to the settings of your phone and then come over to apps over here. Now from this list of apps, you want to go ahead and locate the HryFine Smartwatch app and you can literally see the app over here. So I'll go ahead and select it, and then under notifications, you actually want to make sure you enable show notifications and all of the notifications permission from over here. Now another thing you actually want to do is to go over to the Facebook app. So go ahead and look for the Facebook app from over here, look for the notification settings at the bottom, and then also make sure you enable all of these notifications for the Facebook app on your phone as well. At this point, you can go ahead and try sending a message to yourself, and you will definitely receive it on your HryFine smartwatch. So I have just sent a Facebook message to myself, and you will definitely see as I will receive it on my Facebook. I just received it over here, and as you can see, I also received it over here again. Now you can literally see the message says please subscribe to this YouTube channel. If I actually want to find the message from my HryFine smartwatch, once I click on this button over here, click on it, you can literally see from the Facebook app, which is over here. Once I click on Facebook, you can literally see the message from Facebook that says please subscribe to this YouTube channel, my friend. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.